Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to easily hide Excel formulas. Keeping your formulas private can be crucial for data security or simply to make your spreadsheet look cleaner. We'll walk through the simple steps to ensure your calculations remain behind the scenes, visible only to those you choose. This method helps protect your intellectual property and prevents accidental changes to your important formulas. First, select the specific cells or range of cells that contain the formulas you want to hide. You can select non-adjacent cells by holding the Control key. Once selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Protection tab and check the hidden box. This setting tells Excel to hide the formula from the formula bar once the sheet is protected. Click OK to apply this change. Now, for the hidden setting to take effect, you must protect your worksheet. Navigate to the Review tab on the Excel ribbon and click Protect Sheet. In the dialog box, you can set a password if you want to prevent others from unprotecting the sheet. Make sure the option Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells is checked. This activates the hidden property, making your formulas invisible in the formula bar. Click OK to finalize. If you ever need to reveal your formulas, just go back to the Review tab and click Unprotect Sheet. If you set a password, you'll need to enter it. You can also uncheck the hidden option in Format Cells if you want formulas to be visible even when the sheet is protected. Remember, protecting your sheet also locks cells by default, preventing accidental changes. For more great tips and deals, including a link to Little Tree's Black Ice, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.